What is going on, guys? Adam again, back with Atomic Garage, and yes, I'm in the junkyard again. What? Me? Couldn't be, but who? It's me. I'm in the junkyard, and I'm gonna tell you why I'm here in this video. Coming up. All right, guys, so the reason why I am here inside the junkyard is because I want some roof racks for my car. And all the roof racks I see look extremely flimsy on eBay and overpriced on Amazon, and I am extremely cheap. With that being said, I think I found some roof racks right here on this car, fail, and I think we can make it work on the BMW. So let's get to it. There's always that one. They all come out nice and easy, but it's always that one right there that wants to fight me. Hopefully I can get it out. Yay, I got it off. I only had to basically rip it out, but we finally got it off, and it looks a little rough, but I think I can make it work. Well, hopefully. But the sun's getting low, and it's time for me to get out of there. Get it? It's the Avengers, Hulk. Okay, never mind. All right, guys, so we've gotten what we came for, which was the roof rack. But I think I saw something over there that's roof rack related that I want to take a peek at. So let's go. No, guys, always grab extras. Always grab some extras. You may think you will never need them, but little things will break and then you will be angry. So let's grab all this stuff and go over to that red Subaru. So guys, I ran up on this Yakima bike rack that's behind me, and I know what you're saying. Why do you need a roof rack first off? So the reason why I need a roof rack is just because I need a roof rack. Come on, guys. I mean, I don't have really no other reason. I do want to get into mountain biking at one point or another, but until then, I think roof racks look awesome, and I always wanted a car that had roof racks. I know you're saying that sounds stupid, but from all the vehicles that I've owned in the past, this car is completely different, and I wanted to change it up. So what better than a roof rack and a Yakima bike rack as well? So I think I'm gonna yank that off and take that too. Maybe I can clean it up, and for 35 bucks, we good to go. Let's see. Well, maybe the reason that Yakima bike rack was in the junkyard was possibly could have been because it was junk, or maybe it's been out here so long it's completely rusted and I can't get nothing free at all, nothing at all. So that's gonna be a lost cause, but I'm gonna keep looking around, see if I pick up anything, and we'll keep going. Well, guys, that's gonna do it for me. We finally made it back into the car. You know, these junkyard videos end in the car, and guess what? Who says hatchbacks aren't completely usable? Because look at that right there. Look at that whole roof rack for a truck in the back of my TI. Usability completely through the roof. So I am going to putt back to the house, and I roughly put it on my hood, and I see it looks like it's going to work, but the curvature of my hood seems to be a thing. So we may be shortening it up. I don't know exactly, but whatever we're going to do, I'm going to let you guys see it. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Side note, I don't know how YouTubers record and drive stick shift. Don't know how they do it, at least without dying. So yeah, don't do that. Don't be like me. Sneak peek of the roof rack. Let the hoonery begin.